time, the manager suggested that we have a psychotherapist come in, a man that meets with pro ball teams, you know, big ego, big dollar guys that can't get along but have to make some kind of entity flow so everybody else and everybody can make the money. And I actually said, I think, that this is really fucking lame and weak that we cannot get together, us. Look, the biggest heavy band of all time, the things we've been through and decisions we've made about squillions of dollars and squillions of people. And this, we can't get over this.